Last Saturday, I reported that Tesla's next Gigafactory may be in Canada. And today we're learning that those efforts by Tesla about Canada are becoming more serious, and we know where exactly may be the location of Tesla's next Gigafactory. Tesla has disclosed that it is lobbying the Ontario government for a potential new factory in Canada. The new lobbying effort comes after several hints from Tesla CEO Elon Musk in regards to building a gigafactory in the country, and the location may be in Ontario. In June, if you remember, I reported that Electric obtained a recording of a company-wide meeting held by Elon Musk, during which he confirmed that Tesla is looking at sites in North America, and the CEO hinted to Canada. Elon Musk did it again at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting last week. Now, Electric Autonomy Canada reports a new lobbying disclosure from Tesla in Ontario, revealing that the company is engaging with the government to reform permitting and for possible incentives regarding an advanced manufacturing facility. I will have that paragraph by Tesla in the description of this video. It's a complicated paragraph, that's why I'm not reading it, so you don't get distracted. Now, in Canada, companies have to disclose all their lobbying efforts with the government. This is why we know this. Tesla has made it clear that a quick permitting experience to get approval to build is now the biggest incentive a region can give it to convince the company to choose them for a new factory in Canada. The automaker doesn't want to repeat the experience of building Gigafactory Berlin in Germany, which was stuck in a bureaucratic nightmare for the better part of the year. Although I have to confess that Gigafactory Berlin was built in record time according to German standards. Tesla is looking for something closer to the experience it had in Austin, Texas for Gigafactory Texas, which was built in a record time. In other words, Tesla says to Canada and Ontario government, if you give us an experience, that permitting experience to get quick approvals, this will be huge incentives for us. We're not asking much more. So if Tesla has set its eyes on Canada for its next factory, and it looks like it did, I think the company is likely looking to make Quebec and Ontario compete for the factory. Both provinces have fairly large populations, and they both have a history of automotive production, electric things. They have both been investing heavily into electric vehicles. Quebec has had a lead in electric vehicle adoption, but Ontario has attracted more investments for production. Like Tesla is hinting in the lobbying disclosure, we think it's going to come down to how smooth they can make the permitting experience, and I think that's going to be a challenge for both provinces. Now, when I talk about permitting experience, it's like how quickly Tesla can get permits to build the Gigafactory in Canada. What do you think? Do you think Canada will act like Berlin or will act like Gigafactory Texas? Let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news, and I will have more follow-ups on Tesla's next Gigafactory location. As you know, Torque News channel has been reporting Giga Berlin, Gigafactory Austin, Giga Shanghai, and now we will look to provide you more information on Gigafactory Canada in Ontario. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. I'll see you soon in our next report later today.